So I made the mistake with my first home by settling for cheap faux wood blinds. This wasn't a mistake I was going to make on our second home. It was time we stepped up our game and we decided to go with beautiful shutters and motorized shades. A friend recommended Southwest blinds to us after they had window coverings added to their home. I fell in love with how their shutters turned out. It really elevated their home's look. As soon as my home was done being built, I scheduled an in-home consultation. From start to finish, the process was great. Starting with my visit to their showroom, the in-home consultation where their designer came to us with unlimited swatches and samples that met the accent colors we were looking for. This helped so that we could see how things would look in our actual space. They came back to take professional measurements and worked with me on placing the final order. On the day of the installation, they were right on time, so friendly and clean. They were also very careful throughout the process. It felt like they were treating our home as their own. We would definitely choose Southwest blinds again and recommend them to anyone looking to upgrade their home.